Hello everyone, and I'm going to be testing out my radiation collection. So, this is just a few experiments that I'm going to be doing with this little radiation collection I have here. Like using some tinfoil like I did in one of my shorts, and testing how the distance affects how much radiation comes out of it. So let's first start with the tinfoil experiment, since I just did that, and, well, let's skip a little bit ahead if you want to see, if you've already seen that video. Anyways, we just take the tinfoil. This is quite a bit of tinfoil, by the way. You need quite a bit of it. It's pretty thin normally and doesn't block that much radiation. It will block alpha rays, but the Geiger counter doesn't really, pick up on those. Anyways, normally this produces about 700 clicks per minute of radiation, which is quite a bit. That's how many kind of, things it sees flying out of it. However, with the tinfoil, it does actually produce a few less. If we can turn around here, you kind of see it. It's kind of difficult since I have to prop it up and focus on it. Anyways, it's kind of like the flashing you see is just from the actual monitor. You don't actually see it in real life. See, there's a few less clicks of radiation. Quite a bit, actually. So that's one test you can do. That's with beta rays. Alright. Next, let's test distance, and for that, let's do the plate again. Then we'll do the radioactive clock, because that actually produces a different kind of radiation. So, right up against it, produces about 700 clicks per second. However, as I kind of shrink backwards, you can hear it click less and less. And actually, there's kind of a wall right there. See that? There's still kind of a ton of it radiation is picking up. Well, the further out I get, it, kind of hits a wall. That's kind of interesting. Anyways, that is not really the case. More of it spreading out than anything. These only go 3 to 4 inches from the plate, actually, while this produces gamma rays, which will go up to 40 feet away. So, you can kind of see it's still clicking. I want to see if I can get it to click a little bit further away. Anyways, what it does is, I think it, if I remember correctly, it kind of, every inch out you get, it like a third knocks it off. A third of the radiation goes away just from it spreading out from it. If I get a little cloud chamber, you can actually see that effect happen. I recommend seeing a cloud chamber. They're pretty awesome. Anyways, that's just some small experiments you can do with radiation.